I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you ever notice something suspicious on your Wix site, it is important to report it quickly. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your Wix account. Start by logging into your Wix account using your credentials. This will give you access to your site dashboard where you can manage your settings. Step 2. Navigate to the Help Center. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the Help Center option, usually found in the bottom left corner. This is where you can find resources and support for reporting issues. Step 3. Select Report a Problem. In the Help Center, find and click on the Report a Problem section. This will guide you to the right form to fill out for reporting suspicious activity. Step 4. Fill out the reporting form. Provide all the necessary details in the reporting form, including a description of a suspicious activity and any relevant screenshots. Be as specific as possible to help the support team understand the issue. Quick gotcha, make sure to include the exact URL where you notice the suspicious behavior. This helps expedite the investigation. Step 5. Submit your report. After filling out the form, review your information and hit the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation email acknowledging your report. If you ever spot something odd on your site, don't hesitate to follow these steps. Reporting quickly can help keep your site safe.